Elsa is back in the cinemas, and to celebrate this, Simone has this frozen princess face paint for us today. To start out this face paint, Simone has a regular face painting sponge, and on it is a light metallic blue color by Superstar. So it's just basically the color for the eyes. Then Simone continues with a flat brush, and on it are the blue-white colors of the Split Cake Raindrop by Diamond FX. It is very fitting for an ice princess to have colors like this on the face. So this is some self-made bling, and once it's on the skin we continue to white, and Simone is using Paradise White by Maron today. So some stripes to make this into a crown, an outline for that split cake as well, and of course some curls. A few dots in the white line, and a bit more attention is paid to the center of the face. So all those little stripes will help the piece on the forehead become a crown in a bit. Loads of little dots all around that crown. And as you can see, this really makes it into that crown. A few teardrops from the nose to the crown. And of course some dots, some stars. And just a few more dots. And a nice pink lipstick will finish our frozen princess for today. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.